So, students of 8th class, let us continue with the chapter number 7, the joy of sharing. So, this is a video of second part. So, we all know what love is. So, we have been studying and we also came to know the story that is a golden grain. So, from there we could learn how to share our things, whether we are poor or rich. And we all are very eager to tell others that we love them deeply. But love is not something that we have to express through words. Actions with the spirit of sharing are the best signs of true love. Love is not just a feeling, it is the desire to see the other person in a good state, and it is the readiness to do anything for others' one's betterment. So, students, I hope that you have understood this one. What it says that actions with the spirit. So we simply can't say that my to my neighbor, to my sister, to my relative, or to poor that we love you, and so on, unless and until it is returned in action. Action with the spirit of sharing are the best signs of true love. It is said. Actions. So love is not just a feeling. It is desire to see other person in a good state. That is a love. What is love? When we want to see others happy. If we want to make others sad, that is absolutely not a love. It is the readiness to do anything for the other one's betterment. So trees bear fruits and streams flow for the good of others. In the same way, human life is meant for doing good to others. The words of Vinoba Bhai clearly points out this truth. He says, as long as you have anything, you owe something to those who have nothing. Very, very nice saying. And this is what Bible also says. So, as long as you have anything, you owe something to those who have nothing. So, we should give only to those who deserve, really deserve. What we do, we give gifts to those who give us in return. Okay, but the Bible says, give to those who cannot give, who cannot afford to give you back. Sharing is also a source of happiness. One can be happy when one shares something with the poor and the needy. Sharing really gives us joy and satisfaction. So, there is a G.K. Chesterton and Bernard Shaw story. They were friends, and once they were discussing about their physical appearance. Shaw was lean and tall, but Chesterton was short and fat. So Chesterton said, Mr. Shaw, looking at you, one will think there is a famine in the country. So Shaw smiled lightly and replied, seeing you, he will know who is responsible for the famine. So did you understand, students? They are mocking each other. The fat person is telling to the lean and thin person that there could be a famine in the countries. Someone will say, seeing you. So what the thin person replies? Seeing you, the fatty person, they will see that everything has been eaten by you. Okay, so it's a good job. Arnold Stevenson wrote a short story titled Providence and Guitar. He got the inspiration to write this story from a poor husband and wife. Later, he got large amount of money for its publication. All the money was given to this poor man and woman. Wow. So that is the spirit of sharing. Students, he was grateful to those man and woman. Now, we have question answers, students. First one, what is the message of the story? A golden grain. So I have written here, the more we give and share, the more we get from God. So we must learn to share with others, especially with the poor. Second question, what is the real love? It is on page 36. So I have already marked love is not something till love, from here till here. Then we have third question, how is sharing related to happiness? Same page 36. Second paragraph, last 3-4 lines, sharing is a source of happiness. One can be happy when one shares something with the poor and the needy. So that's all from your question answers. Now there is a task for you. You have to write your experience. Write about your personal experience of helping or supporting someone. So you can write few lines here. It is a homework for you. So I hope that you will do this one. So praying for you. Eat healthy, live healthy, do exercise, get up early, take bath. Goodbye. And also share your love with the poor. Thank you.